Oof, there he is. Oh, man. He nailed it. Oh, he's like 18 inch and not too keen on being caught. Nice. Big.